This is a quick demo of a multimedia commcare application. This particular application is in use by World Vision in India, and it's geared toward maternal and child health. When you open the application, the first thing you'll see is a login screen. Each community health worker has a username and password. For this demo, we've just made a user called user, whose password is 123. Now when I log into the application, all data I submit will be tied to this user. Inside the app are two modules, mother and child. Each module has a collection of forms. The registration form is used to collect preliminary data on patients and add them to your patient list. For all the other forms, you select a patient from the list. For example, say I'm a community health worker going on a pregnancy home visit. I select my patient Divya from the list and can view some details about Divya before the counseling session starts. Now this is my first counseling session visit with Divya, so all I can see now are registration information, her phone number, and her estimated delivery date. Now I'm opening the form that I will use to collect data and counsel Divya. This is where the multimedia elements come in. For each prompt in this form, you'll see a short text description at the top, a picture in the middle, and if I press the hash key, a short audio clip plays. We found that multimedia is invaluable both to help low-literate community health workers and patients understand the health information, and to help the community health worker better engage her patients, keep their attention. Now, this application can also do skip logic behind the scenes. For example, each pregnant woman in this area is supposed to go on 4 visits to her ANC. If I have gone on my first visit, it will ask me about the second. But if I say no to the second visit, it's smart enough not to ask me about the third. Another feature of commcare is multiple language support. For example, if I want to see this application in the original Hindi, I can go to Languages and select Hindi. To go back to English, go Options, Languages, English. Now this application is also skipping questions that it knows aren't relevant for Divya. For example, from her registration we know her expected delivery date. From that, the phone knows which trimester she's currently in. So we'll only show questions and educational prompts that are related to her particular trimester. All the content in this application is completely configurable, so you can decide what to display as the picture, the text description, and all of the audio clips. Now I have completed this form. When I click Next, the data that I just entered will be submitted over GPRS back to our servers. And you can view this data, as well as some automated reports generated from the data, if you go to commcarehq.org. Thanks.